Welcome to a journey of transformation through the Boost Your Positivity with these affirmations. These affirmations hold the incredible power to reshape our mindset and reality. By embracing these words daily, we can create new paths in our minds, fostering lasting positive changes. Incorporate this practice into your routine for 21 days and witness the evolution. Let's begin by centering ourselves. Breathe deeply, allowing relaxation to envelop your body. Acknowledge your worthiness of love, joy, and success that the universe presents. I am a beacon of positivity in the world. Positivity flows through me effortlessly. I attract positive people and circumstances into my life. I am open to receiving the abundance of positivity. My thoughts are filled with optimism and hope. Positivity is the key to my success. I am grateful for the gift of positivity. I choose to focus on the bright side of life. I radiate positivity from within. Positivity is my natural state of being. I release all negativity and embrace positivity. I am a positivity magnet. I am in control of my thoughts, and I choose positivity. Positivity empowers me to overcome challenges. I am surrounded by positivity in all aspects of life. I am a reservoir of positive thoughts. I attract happiness and joy through my positivity. I choose to see the good in myself and others. I am a source of positivity for my loved ones. Positivity is the foundation of my well-being. My positive attitude attracts endless opportunities. I am grateful for the positivity that surrounds me. I embrace positivity with an open heart. I am a positive influence on the world. Positivity is my guiding star in life. I am a magnet for all things positive. My positive energy uplifts and inspires others. Each day, I become more positive and optimistic. I am worthy of all the positivity life offers. I am a positive force for change. I am filled with positivity each day. I attract positive experiences into my life. My thoughts are focused on the good in every situation. I radiate positivity and joy to those around me. Each day brings new opportunities for positivity. I embrace each day with a positive mindset. I am a magnet for positive energy. I am grateful for the positive aspects of my life. Positive thoughts empower me to overcome challenges. My mind is a wellspring of positive affirmations. I am the architect of my own positive reality. My positivity inspires others to be positive. I let go of negativity and embrace positivity. I attract abundance through my positive mindset. Positivity flows through me effortlessly. I choose to see the silver lining in every situation. I am worthy of all the positive blessings in my life. Positivity is my natural state of being. I am surrounded by positive people and situations. My thoughts create a positive reality. Repeat these affirmations daily and embrace the transformation they bring. Own your power to shape reality and stride boldly toward dreams. Namaste.